Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
We are on to stripping out the interior. Mariah is currently attacking a pretty ropey. Be careful, Mariah. All of this interior needs to come out because we need to take it back to bare metal. That's what we're going to do now.
Live spider, big one.
Yeah?
I can't.
Baby, you've got a crowbar.
Maybe it's got, yeah, what am I supposed to do with a spider and a crowbar?
Oh yeah, it's quite big.
This is exactly why I did not want to live on a boat.
It's the dark and the cold out here gets under your skin.
You can see here what the previous owners did with insulation. They've got the batons against the steel hull, and they've just gone for polystyrene blocks, and then this plastic layer as a vapor barrier. And that's basically it. So it's quite rudimentary. Just another good reason to rip it all out and start again, because that's all very 1990 when this was put in. So bring it right up to date.
Who cares? The wind itself.
Strip out is going really well. Front of the ship here, and we are through to the metal hull. Look at this. There's actually quite a lot of room underneath the window. Actually, I don't know if you can see this. There's a windowsill. There's quite a lot of room actually extra in the boat. Once you've insulated it, you could actually build a much bigger room than there was in here because they were all full of cabinets. But then of course you sacrifice storage. But anyway, Mariah is cleaning up down there. Hello, Mariah.
Hello.
How you doing? You're having fun smashing stuff up, are you?
Yeah, absolutely. It's great. Getting rid of all that aggression.
We've got a nice big pile of stuff in here starting to form. So all this has got to come out. Most of it's probably going to go to the tip. Feels good to be getting the boat stripped back. Exciting to move on to the next phase.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.